Hello everyone, and welcome back to part 3 of my patio makeover on a budget series. If you've been here since part 1, you know the state of my patio before we started working. And I am thrilled to finally unveil a finished area. But before we get into that, let's get into some of the projects we finished first. We have a covering over our patio that was painted a maroon color. It was dull and wiring could be seen everywhere. So we decided to paint. We used a spray gun that we found on Amazon for under $30. And let me tell you, this little tool is so powerful. After finishing the covering, we used the spray gun as well to apply a nice coat of paint to our wooden stairs. And I'm so glad we did this. It matches the area so much better. It's amazing what just a small bit of paint can do to an entire area. But we didn't stop there. If you own your own home, then making a few touches to the exterior, like painting our shutters, not only tied into our patio, but it gave our entire home a nice lift. After painting, it was time to relax, and we noticed a small but essential element missing to our porch: a fan. We found this fan at Lowe's for under $100. It's perfect for our space. It matches the aesthetic very well and adds a perfect breeze on a hot day. And last, but definitely not least, is the rug. I have been waiting for this rug to come in ever since I posted part 1 of this series, after you guys recommended that I really needed one for this area. This rug in particular is from Overstock, and it was under $70. It's an 8x10, very lightweight, and perfect for this space. Also, the material is very easy to be cleaned, which is crucial for summer weather. I am so proud of this space and even prouder of the budget that we stuck to. I hope you enjoyed watching this area come together with us. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I have a future backyard fire pit plan that you guys are definitely not going to want to miss.